I see lots of boot prints here. This place is nice though. Look at this one. Zoomed in too far, eh? Sorry, you guys. Zoomed in too far, making everybody sad. I could just chill here, but I don't want to chill here. Look a bit more. There's a bank and a creek. This video is going to be fuzzy, isn't it? This is going to be the video where everybody's like, new video! Yeah, you guys. Cool, cool. You guys see anything? You guys are looking out for me when I'm not looking, right? Oh, that sounded weird. Oh, interesting. There's some ice over there. There's a trail over there. There's a bank over there. Nice little beach. Some very cool tracks. You know, I like a good beach. Nice sand. Cool. Wonder if they just kept walking up the valley. I know. Sorry. Trying to get a lay of the land here. Lay of the land. I'm gonna put my pack down now. I think I'm just gonna enjoy this beach for a minute. What do you guys think? I know that was one like warbly around video. I gotcha. I did bring my phone stand, but I probably left it. All right, let's stop.